Hi friends, today let us learn how to create ledgers. Before that, let us know what is ledger. Ledger simply means an account in which we are entering all the transaction pertaining to that account. So let us see how to create ledgers in Tally. We'll go to create here the masters, press enter, go to ledger, press enter. Here we can type the ledger name. Let us say salary. Come down and you select the group. Here you can see the list of the group. You can select indirect expenses. Select and keep it not applicable, the type of ledger. Press enter. Come down. Come to an end. Enter to accept. And let us create one more account here. Let us type purchases. Here we will select purchase account. We will select not applicable here, and we will come down by pressing enter, come to an end and press enter to accept. And we will create one more account, rent. This is an indirect expense. Select indirect expense and type of ledger, keep it not applicable. Come down pressing enter and accept yes by pressing enter. And we will go back to main menu by pressing escape key. Escape. Yeah. Here let us see what all the ledgers we have created. So go to alter, enter, go to ledger. See here we have created purchases, rent and salary, and cash and profit were already there. It is predefined accounts. That means these two accounts has been created by the company, Tally company itself. So these are the three accounts which we have created. And let us go back by pressing escape key. And this is how we can create ledgers. Any number of ledgers we can create. So thank you friends. In the description box, the PDF file is there. You can download it for practice, and the ledgers names we have given to create and the groups also mentioned. So you can practice it. Thank you so much. Let us meet in the next video with some interesting topic. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe it. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment. Thank you.